Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Here's a description of a white stone kitchen design that exudes timeless elegance and a sense of modern sophistication. Airy elegance. The foundation of this kitchen lies in the white stone, used for countertops, backsplashes, and potentially even the flooring. This creates a clean and expansive feel, reflecting light beautifully and making the space feel airy and spacious. Textural contrast. To counter the potential coldness of white stone, introduce textural elements. Think warm wood cabinetry in a light or natural tone that complements the white stone. Add woven baskets for storage, plush bar stools with soft upholstery, and a textured runner rug in front of the sink. These textures add warmth and visual interest. Pops of color, optional. While white dominates, subtle pops of color can add personality. Consider metallic accents on hardware or light fixtures, a vibrant fruit bowl displayed on the countertop, or a statement pendant lamp in a bold color. Functionality and efficiency. The design prioritizes functionality and a well-planned layout. Ample cabinet space ensures organized storage, and strategically placed drawers keep utensils and appliances within easy reach. White stone countertops offer a durable and stain-resistant surface, perfect for busy kitchens. Appliance integration. Opt for sleek, stainless steel appliances for a modern touch. Consider built-in appliances like ovens and microwaves to create a clean and streamlined look. Natural light connection. Maximize natural light by incorporating large windows or a skylight if possible. White stone reflects light beautifully, making the kitchen feel even brighter and more inviting. Minimalist decor. Keep the decor minimal to maintain the clean aesthetic. Opt for a few statement pieces like a sculptural fruit bowl, a framed botanical print on the wall, or a collection of white ceramic canisters displayed on a shelf. Overall vibe. This white stone kitchen design offers a timeless elegance. It's a space that feels clean, organized, and inviting, perfect for cooking, entertaining, or simply enjoying a cup of coffee in the morning light. There are several compelling reasons to consider a white stone kitchen design for your home. Elegance and sophistication. Timeless appeal. White stone has been used in high-end kitchens for centuries, and it continues to convey a sense of luxury and refined taste. It creates a clean and uncluttered aesthetic that never goes out of style. Spaciousness and light. White beautifully reflects light, making even smaller kitchens feel more spacious and airy. This is especially beneficial in homes with limited natural light. Versatility. White stone serves as a neutral backdrop that allows you to experiment with different cabinet colors, hardware finishes, and appliance styles. Whether you prefer modern, traditional, or farmhouse chic, white stone provides a foundation that complements various design choices. Functionality and practicality. Durability. White stone is a highly durable material that can withstand everyday wear and tear in a busy kitchen. It's relatively easy to clean and maintain, making it a practical choice for countertops and backsplashes. Stain resistance. Many white stones, like granite or quartz, are naturally stain resistant. This makes them ideal for countertops where spills and splatters are common. Heat resistance. White stone countertops are generally heat-resistant, offering peace of mind when placing hot pots and pans directly on the surface. Always double-check specific heat tolerance of your chosen stone. Aesthetics and ambience. Clean and modern appeal. White stone is a popular choice for modern kitchens. Its clean lines and neutral color palette create a sleek and minimalist aesthetic that feels current and contemporary, highlighting other design elements. The clean canvas of white stone allows your cabinetry, hardware, and other design elements to take center stage. Pops of color and contrasting textures become even more impactful against a white backdrop. Connection to nature. Certain white stones with subtle veining patterns can evoke a sense of natural beauty, bringing a touch of the outdoors into your kitchen. Additional considerations: types of white stone. There are various white stones available, each with its unique characteristics and price points. Consider options like marble, granite, quartz, or even white soapstone. Professional installation. Installing white stone countertops and backsplashes requires expertise. Hiring a qualified professional ensures proper handling and installation for a flawless finish. Maintenance. While generally easy to clean, some white stones may require specific cleaning products or sealants. Research the proper care routine for your chosen material to ensure its longevity. Overall, a white stone kitchen design offers a beautiful blend of timeless elegance, practicality, and a modern aesthetic. It creates a light-filled, airy space that is both sophisticated and functional, perfect for the heart of your home. Building your dream kitchen, a guide to white stone design. Here's a roadmap to guide you through creating a stunning white stone kitchen that reflects your style and functionality needs. Planning and inspiration. 1. Define your style. Do you prefer a modern minimalist kitchen, a traditional space with warm accents, or a farmhouse chic aesthetic? Browse design magazines, websites, and social media platforms like Pinterest for inspiration. Create a mood board to visualize your desired look. 2. Measure your space. Accurately measure your kitchen's dimensions to determine the amount of white stone material needed for countertops, backsplashes, and possibly flooring. Consider the layout of your existing cabinets and appliances during this stage. 3. Budgeting. Set a realistic budget for your project. White stone can vary significantly in price depending on the type chosen. Factor in the cost of materials, professional installation, new cabinetry, if desired, appliances, fixtures, and any additional features like a sink or faucet upgrade. Material selection and considerations. 1. Choosing white stone. Research different types of white stone like marble, granite, quartz, or even white soapstone. Consider their aesthetic qualities, durability, porosity, stain resistance, heat resistance, and price point. Consult with a stone supplier or interior designer for guidance based on your budget, desired look, and lifestyle needs. E.g. how much cooking you do. 2. Cabinetry selection. Decide if you'll keep or replace your existing cabinets. White stone countertops pair well with various cabinet colors. Consider light or natural wood tones for warmth, dark wood for a dramatic contrast, or even painted cabinets in a bold color for a statement. 3. Appliance selection. Opt for sleek, stainless steel appliances for a modern touch, or black stainless steel for a more dramatic look. Consider built-in appliances like ovens and microwaves to create a clean and streamlined look. Design and functionality. 1. Layout optimization. Evaluate your current kitchen layout for functionality. Consider if any adjustments are needed to improve workflow, such as relocating appliances or adding more counter space. 2. Lighting design. Plan your lighting scheme. Utilize a mix of recessed lights for overall illumination, pendant lights over the sink or breakfast bar for task lighting, and under-cabinet lighting to illuminate countertops for food preparation. 3. Storage solutions. Maximize storage with well-designed cabinets, drawers, and pantry organizers. Consider installing pull-out drawers for lower cabinets and adding spice racks or utensil organizers for easy access. 4. Hiring professionals. Hiring a qualified contractor experienced with stone installations is crucial. They ensure proper handling and installation of the white stone materials for a flawless finish. Consider consulting with a kitchen designer to create a functional and stylish layout that meets your needs and preferences. Additional tips: sample selection. Always order samples of the white stone you're considering to see how it looks in your existing lighting and with your chosen cabinet color. Maintenance considerations. Each type of white stone has specific cleaning and maintenance requirements. Learn about proper care techniques to ensure the longevity and beauty of your white stone countertops and backsplashes. Backsplash design. While white stone can be used for the backsplash as well, Consider a contrasting material like subway tiles, textured ceramic tiles, or even a mosaic pattern for added visual interest. By following these steps and personalizing your vision, you can create a stunning white stone kitchen that is both beautiful and functional. It will become a space you love to cook in, entertain guests, and create lasting memories. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.